Hi, so I wanted to give you an update on everything that we did for the first day of school. So we went over the syllabus, which I will do when you come back to school, but it is also located on Canvas. But I wanted to show you a few things. So here is our Canvas page. So the first day we went over how this looks. So your syllabus, you can find it here. This will do the e-learning page, so if we ever have an e-learning day, you can click the button. And this here is the agenda. So if you click on that, it'll take you to this page. And I break our class down into weeks. So you can see if you click week 1, you can see the first couple of days we had no school. So this is what we did the first day of school. So here's the drawing pretest. If you click on that, it will take you to the pretest. So day 1 we did that. And then on Friday, we did this Elements of Art sheet. So this PDF here will give you the definitions, except for one. Value, for some reason, is not on there. But I have an example here to show you. So this is an example of the Elements of Art sheet that we did. So on a piece of paper, what you're going to do is create 3 columns and 7 rows. So there are 7 elements of art, the first one being line. Then you have shape, color, value, form, texture, and space. And for each one, we gave a definition. I had students summarize, so if you want to summarize, you're more than welcome to, or if you want to write the entire thing, you can. And then in the last box, you're going to draw a couple examples of what that element of art is. So you can see in mine for lines can be kind of anything. They can be zigzag, they can be dashed, they can be curly, they can be thick, they can be thin. Shapes, there are 2 kinds. You have organic, which are the squiggle, like gloopy kind. There's no straight lines in organic. And then you have your normal shapes, so your geometric, which are like your square, triangle, circle. And shapes are basically a 2-dimensional flat object. It's limited to height and width, meaning there's no dimension to it. Color is just made up of 3 properties. So you have hue, intensity, and value. So hue is basically the name of the color, the value is the lightness or darkness, and the intensity is the quality of the brightness, meaning like if you have like hot pink and pink, those are 2 different intensities of a certain pink, where like light pink and dark pink would all be different values of the hue pink. So for color, obviously, please make sure you use color. Value is just the lightness or darkness of tones. So I had them create a value scale with a little example. Form is basically like a shape, but now it's 3-dimensional, so it includes both your height, your width, and now your depth as well. So these would be more things like pyramids and cones or spheres or cubes. Texture refers to the way things feel, and there's 2 types. There's actual texture, so an object with physical texture that you can touch, and implied texture, which is texture that you draw to make it look like it has texture. So my examples were a piece of wood, a wave, and a furry apple, because that, everyone wants to eat that. And then the last one is space. And so this is positive and negative space, but it's also a way to achieve depth. So you can do like a 1-point perspective drawing, which is what this is here, or you can do positive and negative, where I drew a chair and a desk and then colored the background. So the chair and the desk are my positive space, and the background part is my negative space. If you have any questions, please let me know. It's super simple, and yeah, so hope you have a great day. Bye.